Well, needless to say, we didn't leave at the time we said we were.
Shocker.
And a little stop at the Auburn watering hole could also be an influence. What time is it, you think, right now? 5:30? All right, Mitch, explain to us what happened.
I want my Grubb hut. I want my Grubb hut.
All right, so what's the word?
Technology fail. The word is hot cocoa Oreo. Maybe with some peppermint offset to warm my ass up.
Oh,
Pardon the French for those that. Let's recap again.
I may offend.
We should camp right here. Wait for Wade to come by.
Wade! You ain't sleeping in my tent.
No, the word is it was a valiant attempt.
It was.
But
man, we tried.
The responsible thing to do.
We didn't have
yeah, when it says don't hike this hike in the dark,
stay out here.
They didn't say anything about hiking in the dark and the snow, so we went for it anyway.
This is what we have to go off of right now. These are the tracks. Tracks. Yeah, there are no tracks, are there? And then, this is the sign.
The longer we wait.
Probably can't see the sign. There it is. Alright, back to camp. Back to camp.